Welcome to the Doodle Chinese. Let's make learning Chinese simple, fun, and practical.
We survived the train. Now, off to the hotel.
Finally, a real bed. Let's check in.
Please don't cause chaos at the front desk.
Chaos? Me? Wait, why is my suitcase rolling away again? Please tell me that's the check-in desk and not another mirage.
That's 前台. And no, it's very real. Come on! Walk faster. Your legs still work.
Barely. Passport? Check. Smile? Check. And boom, we're in.
That was suspiciously smooth. We just finished
入住
in under 2 minutes. Something's about to go wrong.
Bow, don't. Jinx it. This is supposed to open a door?
That's your...
房卡
Just tap it on the sensor. No key, no drama.
Whoa, okay. This DNT has more buttons than my entire apartment.
电梯
We're going to floor 8.
But what if floor 15 is where all the good stuff happens? Is this ours? Bao, is this actually our room?
It's a standard room.
房间
You're allowed to just walk in.
Bao, this bed, it's too clean. I'm afraid of it.
It's called...
干净
That's what clean looks like. You'd know if you showered.
Fair. No Wi-Fi. No Wi-Fi, Bao. I need the what's the thing with the numbers?
密码
It's literally on the card sitting right next to you.
I haven't been panicking for nothing, haven't I?
Every single time.
Bao, Bao, look at this. Kanji, buns, noodles. Is this lunch pretending to be, what is this meal called?
早餐
It's breakfast.
Breakfast has never looked this ambitious. Wait. How do I even ask? What time is it?
几点
And it's almost noon. You've been sitting here for 2 hours.
The dumplings held me hostage. I had no choice. Card returned. We are officially done with, what's the word? The leaving thing.
退房
Tuifeng complete. Onward to the next city.
Just don't leave anything behind this time.
Is my charger still in the room? These are all words we learned today. Let's go through them one by one. So what do I say at the front desk?
Just say you're here to...
入住入住入住
Ru means enter.
住
Means stay. You're entering and staying.
So I'm not just visiting, I'm basically moving in for the night. Wait, which one is our Fanjian?
房间房间房间房
Means house.
间
Is a measure word for a space. Is simply a space in the building.
Okay, this is my way. Funjan sounds like fun guy. I am looking for a fun guy. This little plastic thing is our key?
Yes, that's your...
房卡房卡房卡
Fang means room. Ka means guard. Tap it and the door opens.
I got it. Car is car. This is the key for my car. I mean a key for my room.
If this trick helps you, remember,
So when we leave, what do I say?
you say
退房退房退房
Tui means give back,
房
means room. You're returning the room to the hotel.
Tway fun means 2 week fun. I won't forget this Tway fun because it was a nice hotel. Gee, Dian, do we need to check out tomorrow?
几点几点几点几
Means how many,
点
means a clock. Together, it just means what time.
Great. Now I can ask what time it is and panic about it in Chinese. Wow, this bed is so ganjian.
干净干净干净
Means clean. You can use it for rooms, clothes, dishes, basically anything spotless.
So clean, I'm scared to breathe near it. What's the Wi-Fi, Mima? I need to tell the world I survived the train.
密码密码密码
Me means secret.
码
Means code. It's your password for Wi-Fi, phones, anything.
Bao, Mima is easy word for me. Listen, Mima, Mima, Mima. It recalls me of my old friend Emma, and Emma had a mima. Stairs or DNT?
电梯电梯电梯电
means electric.
梯
Means stairs. Basically, an electric staircase.
I have a good way to memorize it. A person named Dan drinks tea in the elevator. Dan T.
Ben, you're a total genius.
I know, right? Where do we even go first?
前台前台前台前
means front.
台
Means counter. That's where you check in.
Front counter, got it. The gateway to my bed. Does Zhao Chan come with the room?
早餐早餐早餐早
Means morning.
餐
Means meal. It's just breakfast. And yes, it's usually included.
Chow breakfast? Wait, Zhao, chow. Same energy, right?
Not even close. But sure, whatever helps you remember it. Read after me, please.
入住房间房卡退房几点干净密码电梯前台早餐
Time to sound less embarrassing. Pronunciation hack, go. Chi-ian. So is that pronounced like K, like Kien?
Nope. In Chinese, Q never sounds like K. It actually sounds like CH, like in cheese.
Wait, seriously, that's such a trap.
I know, it confuses everyone at first. Just say chi, then add n-chi, n. You've got
前
Chi-ian. Chen? Front. I got it.
see? If you can say,
前
you've already beaten one of the sneakiest sounds in Chinese. Are you ready for some fun time?
房卡干净密码电梯退房
Bow and Ben.
几点退房几点早餐前台入住房卡房卡入住电梯 前台早餐
Bonus time, where we uncover some fun and quirky cultural facts.
Bao, why won't the lights turn on? Is this room haunted?
Ben, did you take your
房卡
out of the slot by the door?
The what? There's a slot?
In most Chinese hotels, you put your key card into a little slot near the entrance. That's what activates the electricity. No card, no lights, no AC.
So the room only works if I trap my only key inside it?
Yes. And that's also why people leave a random old card in the slot when they go out, so the AC stays on.
Diabolical but efficient. Great job, everyone. See you in the next lesson.